I will explain about SmartPlate Pay. SmartPlate Pay is an app-based payment solution that allows business owner and consumers to proceed payment with their own mobile using SmartPlate. What we need is only storage device and consumer's device and only one SmartPlate. When you tap SmartPlate with storage device, it will display a screen to enter price. And when the customers tap the SmartPlate, it will generate the unique session code. Check if the session code is the same and proceed OK. Now payment transaction is started. Enter price and send it here. It will come to consumer's device, so customer can select their payment gateway and proceed payment. Now payment is done.